Hi guys, welcome back. This is Rakesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what is modules because modules is a very important. Without modules, we cannot use directive, components, pipe, and services. So modules are the very important. So let's talk about what is modules. So modules are like you can say it is a group of component, directive, pipes, and service modules in Angular refer to the place where you can group up group the components, directives, pipe, and services which are related to the application, right? So Angular provide build modules. So now here you can see app.module.ts. This is a root modules which is provided by Angular. So in this video, we will see how we can add new modules in our project, right? So it's a very important. So let's move on how we can create new modules. So let's move on new terminal and let's move on my project directory, here my dream app, and simply we will write ng generate modules m4 modules, and here we will write modules name. Let's say you can write any name. Let's say user, right? User, users. And now here you can see you can create manually, but it will take very some time. Now here we can see we got one file, users.module.ts. Inside this file I want to create a component. So let's say ng generate component, and I will create component inside this modules. Let's say login, you just login, right? And now let's move on users modules. Here you can see this is the users. Inside this users file we have two files. First is login component and second is users.module.ts. So now here you can see all login components we have automatically add because it is this advantage of Angular. It will automatically add like import of modules, and after that we have to export of these modules because if you want to use these modules in our project, so first of all we have to export of these modules of this component, right? So let's export this component. Let's say if you want to create any other component, then you have to import inside this user.module.ts. After that we will export this modules. Let's say login component, and I will save this file. Now a second step is here, this modules we have to import inside root modules app.module.ts. So let's import users modules. Mm, users, where is users? Inside this users I will just use here, we will write users modules, and after that I will just import inside this import array. I will just write here users module, right? And save. Now let's move on login component dot html, right? So here we will write something. Let's say this is new modules component, right? This also for demo purpose. Now let's move on main terminal, and my project is successfully compiled, and let's move on user interface. So here you can see there is no any output. So behind the scene, first of all we have to use custom tag, like that means selector. app login selector, this app login, right? So we have to we will use inside app.component.html root html file, right? So we will just use inside article, you can use anywhere. Let's see, I'll just copy this custom tag and let's compile this file, and after that let's move on. Now here you can see the data is displaying. So this is a very simple way. First of all, we have to create the modules, new modules, and after that we need to import inside this root modules, and last one is we have to use selector inside this any component. You can use any component. So thank you so much, thanks for watching this video, and in next video we will see what is group routing, how we can use, how we can create group routing, right? So thank you so much.